Hello and welcome to this GDS Lab V2025 tutorial 3.6 Consolidation Analysis Tool. The Consolidation Analysis Tool is designed to allow the user to graphically determine the end of primary consolidation and calculate the rate of consolidation, following either the Casagrande log time method or the Taylor square root time method. This can either be done live during the consolidation stage or at any point afterwards. For relevant test types, it will also calculate an appropriate rate of strain for monotonic loading. So, once we have our consolidation stage data, we can now move to the Consolidation Analysis Tool, which is right here. And as you can see, there's a new icon in our hamburger menu. Once we select that, we can analyze the data. So what we're going to do, we're going to select the test stage we want. And for our example, it's going to be a 1.4. And then, as you can see straight away, the Consolidation Analysis Tool will automatically try to fit the construction lines to the data. Depending on how good the data is, it may be successful, it may not be, but you can actually move the construction lines to what you're happy with. You can grab the middle of it, you can grab the top parts and the bottom parts to move it how you would like. And then once you're happy, you can leave it alone. If it makes it easier, you can actually zoom in on the graphs to plot the construction lines as well. All you do is drag your mouse once clicked, and then you can zoom in into the area that you cover. Then all you need to do is double click to get out, and it will bring you back to that default view at the start. For relevant test types, such as Traxel and Shearbox, the system will also calculate an appropriate rate of strain. This can then be used in subsequent monotonic loading stages. So then, as you can see in this monotonic loading set block, I've got axle velocity that I've got set at 0.02, and then I have the option to use shearing velocity from the cat tool where applicable, and that's a tick box. So if I tick that, it will then use the shearing velocity from the cat tool. So yeah, anyway, that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. This has been the Consolidation Analysis Tool in GDS Lab V2025.